Can I use my Razer headset with my Xbox One controller?
Hey there, fellow gamers! If you're looking to level up your Xbox One gaming experience, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll discuss how you can connect your Razer headset with your Xbox One controller. This can provide you with an immersive gaming experience by enhancing your audio and giving you access to crystal clear in-game communications. So, let's dive right into it and unleash the power of your Razer headset.
Can Razer headset be used with Xbox One?
Yes, your Razer headset is absolutely compatible with Xbox One. Most Razer headsets are designed to be versatile, and thus, they work well with a wide array of devices, including your Xbox One. However, the exact process to connect it might vary based on your headset model. So, let's take a look at the typical process.
How do I connect my Razer headset to my Xbox One controller?
Connecting your Razer headset to your Xbox One controller is quite a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Turn on your Xbox One and make sure that your controller is connected. 2. Take your Razer headset and find the audio jack cable. 3. Insert this cable into the 3.5mm audio jack on your Xbox One controller. This is usually located at the bottom of the controller. And voila! Your Razer headset should now be connected with your Xbox One controller. You should be able to hear all the game audio through your headset now.
What if I don't hear anything through my Razer headset?
If you've followed the steps above and still aren't hearing any sound, don't panic. This could be due to the audio settings on your Xbox One. Here's what you need to do. 1. Go to Settings on your Xbox One and select Display and Sound. 2. Under Audio Output, select Chat Mixer. 3. Make sure the balance between game and chat audio is set according to your preference. 4. If required, increase the overall volume level. Now, test your audio again. Hopefully, you'll be all set to start gaming with your Razer headset on Xbox One. So, that's it, gamers. We hope this guide has been helpful and you're now all set to enjoy an enhanced gaming experience with your Razer headset connected to your Xbox One controller. Remember, having quality audio can drastically improve your gaming experience. So, strap on your headset, jump into the action, and game on.